let's make these certificates. So first we're going to Chat GPT. And y'all, I talk to Chat GPT like it's my homeboy or homegirl. Like, can you help me with this? So I'm putting in, I'm creating some certificates and I'm telling Chat what I want. I want them to have something to do with English, and I also want them to have something to do with some type of candy so I can put a piece of candy with each award. Okay, so this is the response that chat gave me. They gave me two responses. I'm going with list one. I need them now to put this in a chart form. It just makes it easier for me to upload it to Excel or Google Sheets in this instance. If you have Excel, you can use Excel. I'm going to copy and paste. And now I'm going to add the student name beside the award I want them to receive. This just makes it easier for when I go to Canva, it talks to a sheet. So now I'm going to Canva. I'm looking for a certificate, just any template. This one looks good. I'm going to customize it. Where it says name, I need to put something there so I don't have to fill out all of these. I want a description. I'm going to go ahead and add my signature so I don't have to sign all these certificates, and I'm going to add a date. That way it'll be done for me. And I did forget to do something. I forgot to save my sheet. So I'm going to go to File, Download. You can save it as an Excel or you can save it as a CSV. You're going to go to Bulk Create and you're going to find your program and you're going to start matching what you want to upload where. So here it is. It's too big. Now I can go through each one and size it right, or I can go right back to where it created it, resize the award, and recreate it. So now it looks good. I hope this helps save you some time.